Alright guys, welcome back to Semper Fi Mechanic. My name's Thomas. We're pretty busy right now. We're going to go look at a 2013 Nissan Altima, the 2.5 liter. We're going to do an alternator replacement. Now, the 2.5 is a pretty easy replacement. Now, if it's the 3.5, then it's a pain in the ass. But we got to hurry up and knock this out because I just got a diesel delivery call and it's time sensitive. So I need to hurry up and knock this shit out. So we should be pulling up right now.
Destination is on the left.
Here we go. Is that a Nissan Altima? That is. Let's turn around. Get set up, guys. All right, we're on scene here. Here's the Altima. What year did I say it was? 2013? Is that right? Looks right. Just talked to the woman. She's already got the alternator. A lot of times we don't let customers buy their own stuff because sometimes it might not be the right one. Could just be junk, you know, the cheapest model. A lot of times if that fails, it looks bad on us. So a lot of times we get the parts ourselves. It's also another way to make a few dollars too. Upsell the price a little bit. All right, let's go ahead and take this off. We'll remove that. We'll take this cover off right here. We'll start taking bolts apart. Sound good? 12 millimeter here. The positive's a 10 millimeter. There it goes. Come on, come on, come on. Ugh, there you go. My voice, I lost it. Yelling at my daughter's softball game, acting like it's the fucking World Series. I swear I must get in a fight every single time I'm there. Or a little blanket over it so it doesn't touch metal. Wrap it up like that. There we go. Dude, I know you're a 10 millimeter. I fucking know you are. Start with me. Oh my God. Corrosion was keeping it on there. Wrap these motherfuckers up so they don't hit metal and fucking work out and try to kill me. Let's move on to taking these bolts out. Look at these motherfuckers. What size is that? 5/64? Something like that. So I just broke this one loose right here. Go ahead and get that one out real quick. We ain't got time for all this bullshit. You see, just put it down in here. Just like that. Bend this down and yeah, here we go. Making progress, son. A bit stuck on there. Last one's right here. There we go. I'm always breathing so fucking heavy. But I'm sick this time. Hitting the gym pretty hard. Let's see. How's it looking? I'm telling you, I'm gonna be a beast here before too long. Can't be a fat shit no more. Come on, baby. There we go. Let's pop this cover off now. There we go. All right, here we are down to the alternator here. What is that? It's probably a 12 or 13. Do a 13 guess. Yeah, it probably could be 12 or 13. All right, 13. There we go. Pop that bad boy loose. Come on. Oh, yeah. Well, this thing is brittle, son. Brittle. A clip right here that's looking very brittle, boys. You gotta push on this side right here. See that? You gotta push in and pull up. There we go. That wasn't so bad. Maybe 12 millimeter bolt here and another one underneath. All right, go ahead and get it jacked up. Take the wheel all the way off. That way we can get access to the belt tensioner. Once you get the wheel off, you come in here and you'll have this right here. It's a couple little clips you gotta take out. I'm missing a couple on this vehicle. So take these two out and then we'll have access behind it. See if we can just slide behind here a little bit. Oh my Lord, you see that fucking thing shoot out? That motherfucker must have got my eyeball. Jesus. Here we go, one more. So there's a middle tab here I think we're supposed to be taking out. That's why I won't shot off, see? There we go. I'm trying to get to the belt tensioner. Oh, okay, right there. See that nut right there? That big one? We got a 17 millimeter socket. So what we're gonna do is let's pull to the right. Now we can see how it's loose right there. Let's go ahead and slide that off real quick. Just like that. Here we go. Let's see if that's enough up top if it slid off. Because the one we care about is the alternator. Let's see if it gave it any room to slide. Yeah, okay, there we go. Let's just slide it down there just a little bit. We don't want to make them all fall off. And now we can go ahead and take this bolt off here. 13 it is. Let's see. Oh, yeah, crank that bad boy loose. Took that one off. See it right there. Yeah, I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. See it right there? It's right there. You gotta take that one off too. There it is in there. Crank it loose here. Oh, yeah, there we go. All right, let's go ahead and take that bolt out. Once we get that one out, then all we gotta do is remove it. I'm not sure if any of the bolts actually come all the way out. Top one or the bottom one, you see it down there? Okay, the top one did. That bottom one has not came out yet. We'll see though. Now we'll just grab us a big pry bar, see what we can do here, see if it'll come out at all for us, like that. Once it gives you some room like that, then you can reach down, probably remove the bolt the rest of the way. And there you go. Had to move it up a little bit. Yeah. They're both the same size. There you go. So get down there. And then you gotta pry it off there. Like so. Take your time. I think I figured out there was a 10mm bolt right there. Just took it out, and now that gives you a little bit more room to work with. I don't see how it can move that way. So now we can get in here. There we go. What a mess, huh? All right, real quick, you need to match them up. A lot of times I'd rather take the alternator out first and take it with me to match it up. Here's the new one, here's the old one. There is a little bit of difference. I mean, they do look similar. They got the same holes here. But up here, this one has 2 holes. This one only has 1. Bro, it's the wrong alternator. I'll give it to the woman, see what she wants to do. Now we're in the position where we're gonna wait till customer. She's gonna get a ride and go get the new alternator, and we'll wait till she gets back. I don't want to leave this lady without her vehicle. You know, sometimes you can just tell situations need a little more help. You know what I mean? All right, we're back. We got the right alternator this time, so we just waited on the customer. They took a little minute. There's a wreck, but hey, whatever, man. Just sit in the truck and waited. Sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. All right, we got the right one in this time. Let's go ahead and try to squeeze this bad boy in there somehow. There we go. Line this up. I'd like to just get it lined up so I can at least get this top bolt on it real quick. There we go. We get that top bolt just so we can have something to hold it together. Go ahead and grab this other bolt. Try to get it in there first a little bit. All right, we got that bottom one in a little bit. See it right there? There you go. All right, we're gonna start tightening them up. Once we get them tight, we'll go ahead and put the connectors on, put the serpentine belt on, and we'll be done. Remember, tomorrow we'll come back and get this battery done for them. Let me show you from up top here. There we go. Go ahead and crank that bad boy down. Once we get that one tight, we're gonna come up here and we're gonna crank this one down too. First, let's this connector back on. Clipped on real easy. We got this, so it's good to put this on. Little nut here. Remember, this is for the 2013 Nissan Altima. This is the 2.5 liter. I looked it up in the quote, hour-and-a-half work, so it's 150 bucks. Is it 13 or 12 now? Snug it up nice and neat. Go ahead and throw that back on. I'm here with a couple friends just stopped by.
Hi.
Hello.
Look at them. They're gonna start their little YouTube channel too. So we wanted to give them a head start.
This is
My
my
name
friend
is giving your
Cortez.
private information out.
This is Cortez. My little sister Makayla.
I said don't say my name. Then my colleague go over
It's the
there.
great thing about working down in the neighborhoods here.
He's the best mechanic.
Best mechanic out here.
There we
You
go.
won't go wrong with him.
There's not a lot of room to get the serpentine bolt back on. So what you can do is 17mm, I got on that little nut right there, and you pulled it to the right. It's got the tension loosened. I put it behind the oil filter, and that holds it in place. Now you can reach around and put everything back on how it's supposed to be. Once you have that done, now we can loosen it up just like so. See how it's all looking? Looks good. And there you go. That's how you put an alternator in a 2013 Nissan Altima with the 2.5 liter. Pretty quick. Takes about an hour and a half. We charge $150 labor. We charge $100 an hour. All right, if you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. If you guys like to personally support the channel, I'll have my Cash App up here on the screen. We're only taking Cash App. We're not doing PayPal or anything like that anymore. If you need to reach out to me, in the video description, I'll have my email, a mailing address if you guys are sending tools, because a lot of you like to send your old tools and have me use them, and I'm completely fine with that. Thank you guys for everything you've done for me. We're growing at 2,000 subscribers a month, so we're really picking it up. So I'm very grateful, guys. I love you guys, and like we always say, Semper Fi. Until next time.